Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain to you about the twin washer LG brand LOE error. That's mean lid opening error. Actually this machine a customer without any problem, customer use continuously 2-3 years, but he never service. Because of that I kept one side the mini washer, because that so many dirty it's came with the rusty also. This machine having LOE error, that's mean lid not closing properly, sliding lid. This machine modify the detergent drawer up top side and detergent drawer and comfort here like this. It's closing lid, unfortunately it's not closing properly. At that time showing LE error, we service this machine. We open top cover and clean all the hose and everything, the way to go the detergent and compound. Everywhere we clean, because this much came too much, like a hard came all the detergents and compound together. Because of that we service this machine. Now it is okay, but earlier is before it's not closing properly. It's too much dirty came. Because of that it's showing continuously. When we closing also is showing LOE error. Because of that we collected to the workshop, we service the machine. Now it is okay. This way I open the top cover. After that only we can service, clean everything. Unfortunately, while you using time, by mistakenly if you not closing lid, sliding lid, at that time it will come LOE error. Make sure before using the machine you have to close the door properly, sliding lid you have to close properly. Otherwise you cannot use the machine. At that time it will show LOE lid opening error. And because of that, make sure before using, here I'm showing this one. I removed and clean. Too much detergent clogged inside. After cleaning we fix. It is now okay. It's not showing any error message. I have to tell again, this type of error, no need to call any technician, anybody, but yourself also you can do. According to the manual it's showing what is this error. But customer never occurred before, because he is closing properly. Now it came because too much detergent is clogged inside and outside. Because of that this sliding lid not closing properly, and we clean well. After that it's closing now properly. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel. I'm requesting from you, still you are not subscribed my channel, kind subscribe. And if you have any comments, and let me know and give me a feedback for me, I'm really appreciate. I'm waiting your comment. I'm managing my timing and I'm trying to reply to you. This is LG brand direct drive. It is latest, very beautiful machine. The touch screen with the door. See, now you can see again I'm showing. This is the problem, LOE error. Again, thanks for watching my channel. Recently we will meet, quickly we will meet with another video. Thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.